Hey bros, another day. Cougar House heading down to Sound Diesel Performance to work on Project Sacrilege. Yesterday we got the there's a cop. Sorry about that. I had to slow down. Yesterday we got the work truck taken all apart. We got our harness stripped out of it, the firewall ECU and the gauge cluster out of it. So now today we're ready to lay that harness on the ground next to our other harness, and then measure how long we need to extend each side for, and then we're going to cut apart our other harness so we can extend our wires color to color, and go ahead and do that, and then we'll stagger each one of the joints so there won't be a big knot knee in one spot, so it'll be a nice smooth harness, and then plug that in and see if we can get some communication. But we're not sure if we'll get that far to plug it in this afternoon, but we'll definitely get well into extending it. So join us on our journey back down to Sound Diesel Performance, guys. Alright, hey guys, we just now got here. Brandon's unloading all of our soldering and stuff parts, and then we're gonna get in here and get set up in front of Project Sacrilege and get started extending this harness. Let's do this. Okay guys, so we're out here. Brandon's got the harnesses laid out on the ground. I'm gonna kind of try to show you kind of what we're doing here. Like you can see on this side, there's our automatic fuse box. There's the manual 6-speed one. You can see how we extended ours there. So that one needs to be extended the same. So Brandon's doing the same thing on this end, where that clip goes in. That firewall plug there that we moved from the firewall over to the passenger side A-pillar panel behind the wheel tub. We got that, so we're going to extend that one as long as ours, and we'll be using the wiring that's in our new harness, so everything will be color to color. So all we got to do is spend some time working on it. Okay guys, we're coming into the garage. It's like 90 something outside. It's too damn hot to do anything, so we're kind of in the corner of Sound Diesel here working. Here's Brandon over here monking it up. Hola. Alright, so I'll give you guys a little bit of a time lapse of what we're doing here, so it's not super monotonous, but we're going to finish up the passenger side extending of the harness this afternoon, and then we'll move on to the driver's side this next Wednesday. So stay tuned.
I always miss it. Always miss it.
Alright bros, there ends another day of Cougar House Garage. Brandon and I going down to Sound Diesel to work on the Project Sacrilege. Today we actually got, you know, the harness on the driver's side, or sorry, the passenger side, mostly extended like 3/4 of the way. And then this next Wednesday we'll move on to finishing the passenger side, getting that extended, hooked up to the security ECU over there on the kick panel on the passenger side. And then it'll be measuring out the driver's side of the harness and extending that so it can connect from where the fuse box, power distribution box is, up to underneath the column and plugs in. So we'll continue working on that next week on Wednesday. Tomorrow, Brandon and I are actually going to be the axle shaft on one of the sides of the Dune 400 is leaking, so we got to seal that up a little bit, just fiddle with that. And then we're going to go to a car show in Ocean Shores on Saturday and Sunday, so we'll probably bring you guys along as well. That'll be a good time. But on until next Wednesday, we'll continue work on Project Sacrilege. So thanks for being here today, guys. Thanks for your constant support as usual. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Me and Brandon really appreciate it. We put a lot of work into these videos. And then if you want to see more of Cougar House Garage, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/cougarhousegarage.com. And then check us out at threadless.com/cougarhousegarage.com to pick up some merch, you know, some shirts and all kinds of gear. You can actually put it on almost anything you want, but we have our new design out of the Dune 400 on a shirt. So we thought we'd do that to kind of cap off that project. And then we'll have another line of shirts coming out in a few weeks here. That'll be of Project Sacrilege, so that'll be pretty fun. So also check us out on Instagram, guys, and follow us like I'm always telling you. And then we'll catch you guys in the next episode.